Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to send location on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to send location on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone and open the chat box of the person to whom you want to send your location. And over here guys, on the chat box section of the person, you can see there is the message bar. Tap on it, and on this message bar guys, at the right side you can see there is an attachment icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on that attachment icon and this kind of interface will appear at the bottom where you can see the location option is also available for us. Tap on that location, and from over here you can see it either to send your current location or share your live location. Now in order to send your current location, or tap on the send your current location, and your location will be sent on WhatsApp. And there guys, this is how to send location on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.